What's up, guys? So in this video I am going to give you a full honest review up a full honest review about the FP market and the IBKR market. Okay, so right here, this site is well customized. But before we get started, please, if this is your first time on my channel, or if actually this is your first time watching my video here on YouTube, then I am going to like you to pause this video for just 5 seconds of your time, then hit the like icon and also subscribe to the YouTube and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, so that each time I upload something like this to YouTube, then you are going to be the first to get notified. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get back to the platform right away. Okay, so FP market is actually a forex broker site which you can actually trade with. Okay, so here also they have the performance driving technology and ultra low spread. Okay, so you can trade on MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. You can also trade on iRix. Okay, so those are the 3 platforms which you can actually trade from on this website. Okay, so right here you can start trading right away by just hitting on this start trading, so you can actually get your own account created. Okay, so you can actually try a free 30 days demo. Okay, so without paying any single thing. Okay, so this site here is actually one of the oldest forex broker site in which you can trade some pearls with. Okay, so this site here was established in 2005, and also they have free funding option, and also raw spread from 0.0. Okay, so those are they have some pairs which is the AUD, USD, JPB, USD, USD, JPY, and so many of them. Okay, so what can you trade with FP market? Actually, you can trade forex, shares, indexes, commodities, bonds, metals, digital currencies. Okay, so let's quickly check out the forex. Okay, so actually they have over 70 plus forex currency pairs in which you can actually trade with. Okay, so also here they have over more than 10,000 stocks on global exchanges, and also they have over 19 major global indexes, and they have coffee new um they have the natural gas, corn, and more. That's for the commodities. And here for the bonds, they have the UX 10 year and UK long git futures git. Okay, so here for the metals, they have the gold, oil, silver, and more. Okay, so here is actually the digital currencies own. They have the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin, um, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and more. Okay, so you can actually go over and check out their trust review on Trustpilot. Okay, so go over and check out their review on Trustpilot. Okay, so like they said that they have 0.0 spread, which is quite good. Okay, so here is the tighter spread, faster execution. Okay, so actually trade on consistently low spread from 0.0 pips. Okay, so fast execution from an NY4 server facility, and also top tier liquidity and market leading price 24 hours to 5. Okay, so this site here has only 5 working days. Okay, so they are only have they are only online for every 5 working days. Okay. Actually here, no dealing decks and no recruit ever. Okay, so here you can access the FP markets forex trading education. Okay, so which is pretty good. That means they are going to teach you how to trade forex market and how it's being done. Okay, so right here, learn and trade what you want. Okay, when you want. Okay, so um they are actually they are actually giving you a nice word. Okay, so right here you can trade forex indexes, shares, commodities, metals, digital currencies, bonds, and ETFs. Okay, so you can access global market 24 hours to 5 days. Okay, so they are only um online just for 5 days for the global market, in which you can actually accept. Okay, so here you can trade on the go on our mobile app, and also multi and also multilingual customer support. Okay, so right here is advanced trading platform and financial technologies. Okay, so you can actually trade on MetaTrader 4, which is called MT4 as the short call, as the short word. Okay, so you can also trade on MetaTrader 5, which is called MT5 in the short form. Okay, so you can also trade on the ERIX, C Trader, and Web Trader, and mobile app for iPhone and Android devices. Okay, so advanced client portal to track your trading in real time. Okay, so they also have the superior visual private server server solution for expert advisor. Okay, scalping and auto trading. Okay, so they have the copy trading. Okay, so you can actually follow the top performers top performing traders. Okay, so you don't actually have to have your own trading strategy before you can actually go back and trade. Okay, so they have helped you so you can actually follow the top trader in terms of trading. Okay, so why is FP market one of the world's most trusted forex broker? Actually, there's no much time for me to go into details more about this website. Okay, so you can actually go over and check out their platform more. If you love it, then you can actually go over and create an account. Okay, so you have only 3 steps for you to get started. Just register. Okay, so just choose account type and complete our fast and secure application form. Okay, so that's for the step number 1. Step number 2 is the fund. Okay, so just fund your trading accounts using a wide range of funding method. And also the third step is start trading on your live account and access 10,000 instruments across our trading platform. Okay, so those are the 3 ways in which you can actually get started on this platform. Meanwhile, you can reach them out through phone call or or through Gmail or through their social media platform. Okay, so let's quickly go over to IBTR. Okay, so IBKR is actually a trading platform which is also called Interactive Brokers. Okay, so they are one of the award-winning forex broker in which you can actually trade with. Okay, so this side there, put the word in the palm of your hand with IBKR Global Trader. Okay, so this side has the lowest cost, the global access, the premier technology, the strength and security, and also they are one of the award-winning brokers. Okay, so you can actually go over and check out this website so you can actually know the difference between FP market and IBKR market. Okay, so these two sites has different So this site here has different doings. Okay, so this site here has over 150 market and 33, and they only accept 33 countries and 26 currency pairs. Okay, so currency. Okay, so actually I am going to suggest you go over and check out this platform more, so you can get more knowledge and more help about this platform. Okay, so guys, this is it. This site offers you so many type of account type that suit your need. Okay, so you only have 3 steps for you to get started on this site there, which is the step number 1 is complete the form. Okay, so it only takes a few minutes to complete the form. Okay, so right here is the steps 2 which you actually need to get started. Okay, just fund your account. Okay, so just connect your bank or transfer an account. Okay, so that's it. Step number 3, which is the final step, is for you to get started trading. Okay, so take your investment take your investing to the next level. Okay, so those are the 3 steps needed for you to get started on this platform here. Okay, so you can go over and register an account with them right away. If you don't have, please make sure to check more of this site so you can actually know more better about them. Okay, so guys, I'll be ending for now. Please make sure, if this is your first time, please pause this video for just 5 seconds of your time, hit the like icon, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel, so that each time I upload something like this to YouTube, then you are going to be the first to get notified. Okay, so guys,